first stop is Mickey Avenue, right after you enter the park. This is Shanghai Disneyland's version of Main Street, USA. But instead of the classic American town, it's themed entirely around Mickey and his friends. The street is lined with colorful shops, restaurants, and plenty of perfect selfie spots. And of course, this is where you'll meet classic characters like Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy. Look, there's even Gelatoni from Duffy and Friends here. Each day, Shanghai Disneyland brings the magic to life with the Duffy and Friends Parade and the spectacular Disney Magic in the Stars Parade. And Mickey Avenue is one of the best places to watch with the castle as your backdrop. The parades are a must-see. The music is lively, the floats are stunning, and you'll spot everyone from Disney princesses to your favorite Pixar pals. Off our second day here with a quick breakfast at CookieAnn Bakery Café, where you'll find freshly baked goods, Mickey-shaped donuts, hearty sandwiches, and hot crepes made to order. Perfect fuel before diving into a full day of rides.
Breakfast for today, coffee. And then this is a pancake, a ham and cheese crab. We also got a white chocolate donut. Bon appetit! Gonna eat this Mickey donut. Ooh, chocolate. It's melting. We found fork and knife. Dissecting up the Mickey donut.
Now it's time to shrink down and step into the animal kingdom. Zootopia, where every corner feels lifted straight from the film. This land immerses you in stunning detail. The streets buzz with life, and the architecture mirrors the city from the movie. And you'll even spot Judy Hopps or Nick Wilde and other familiar faces along the way. There are tons of great photo spots around Zootopia, but if you're visiting in the summer, I'd recommend coming early in the morning or later in the afternoon. Not only will you dodge the harsh midday sun, but the lighting is so much better for photos. The city looks incredible on camera. Just check out these adorable shots I managed to capture. The big highlight here is the ride Zootopia Hot Pursuit, where you join Judy and Nick on a thrilling chase through the city. It's a mix of cutting-edge visuals, trackless ride technology, and storytelling that makes you feel like part of the movie. Honestly, this land alone is worth the trip. You can also find an exclusive merch shop here in Zootopia called Fashion by Fufu, named after Mr. Big's stylish little daughter. The shop is filled with adorable Zootopia-themed items you won't find anywhere else, from plushies and accessories to unique apparels. It's the perfect place to grab one-of-a-kind souvenir to remember your trip to Zootopia, but be prepared to join the crowd. It's always busy in here. Now let's go to the other side of the park to the well-beloved Toy Story Land. Here, you shrink down to the size of a toy and play alongside Woody, Buzz, and the gang. Inside the gift shop, keep an eye out for exclusive merchandise like this quirky barn chicken toy. It makes funny sound when shaken like this. It seems to be pretty popular alongside many Toy Story characters merch that's exclusive and easier to get in this gift shop. The rides here are lighthearted and fun for all ages. So first we have the Slinky Dog Spin, which is a gentle, family-friendly ride where Slinky Dog playfully chases his own tail in a circle. Rex's Racer is a thrilling U-shaped coaster that swings you back and forth higher and higher as Rex and Trixie cheer you on. Now Woody's Roundup is a spinning cart ride that is led by Woody's trusty horse Bullseye in a lively roundup adventure. If you're planning to visit Hong Kong Disneyland as well during your trip, you may want to prioritize the Woody's Roundup here in Shanghai because it's unique to this park. The other two, the Slinky Dog Spin and Rex's Racer, can also be found in Hong Kong. And it doesn't stop there. At Andy's Backyard Games, you'll find carnival-style stalls where you can pay a little extra to play for prizes just like at a fun fair. It's colorful, whimsical, and packed with family-friendly fun. Next up is Fantasyland. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe for more Disney content.